Welcome back. Momuga Municipal Council gave a surprise visit to the municipal market on Friday. They seized various articles displayed by the shopkeepers on the footpath, obstructing the pedestrians.
Computer table, TV unit, chairs, mattresses, fan, plastic pots. These are not for sale but are seized by Mormuga Municipal Council. The stock which is usually displayed on the footpath and which in turn obstruct the pedestrians.
लोक शॉपवाले एक शॉप आसता आनी तेजे भायर ते आनी काडून लुगार हाडून दवरताय लोकांक चलपाकूय वचपाक त्रास जाता आनी तिथे फुटपाथ ब्लॉक जाता आनी लोक रस्त्यातल्यान वयता रस्त्यान चलता आसतना तरी पूण एक गाडयेकारांक 4 व्हिलर्सांक तांकां प्रॉब्लेम जाता 2 व्हिलर्सांक तांकां प्रॉब्लेम जाता गाडी चलोवपाक ताका लागून आमी ती फुटपाथूय मातशें क्लियर केल्या.
Shekhar Khadapkar, the chairman of market committee, have asked the shopkeepers to cooperate with the MMC.
त्यांचे जे सामान त्यांचे आम्ही जे उखलून हाडला आमकां खुशी जावना प्रत्येक मनशान धंदो करचो कमोवचे आयज तांकां दिसता आसतलें हेंच्यांनी उखलून येला म्हणून पूण खरोखर सांगता आमकां बरें दिसूंक ना पूण ज्या पद्दतीन तुमी डेली जर इन्स्पेक्टरान सांगून सुद्दां तुमी जर आयकना कायद्याचें उल्लंघन करता जाल्यार कितें तरी एक्शन घेवची पडटा आनी जर तुमी आयज आमी येवन जें सामान हाडलां आनी परत तुमी सामान सोडून व्हरतले आनी परतूय तुमी जर तशेंच दवरीत जाल्यार ह्यान फुडें आमकां अशीच एक्शन परत घेवची पडटली. आणि तुमकां त्या खातीर हांव विनंती करता रिक्वेस्ट करता की तुमकां जो जागो दिला तितक्या जाग्या भितर मर्यादेन रावन आपलें सामान विकपाचें आनी लोकांकूय बऱ्या भशेन बाजारांत जे येता तांकां सामान घेवपाक बऱ्या भशेन वाट दवरपाची.
It was also mentioned that such drives will be carried out on regular basis. Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Hiren Gada of Shemaru Entertainment feels that piracy is the biggest problem in film industry. Hiren made this point at the Big Picture Conference held on Saturday at Siddharth de Goa Resort, Dona Paula. The theme of the conference was New Dreams, New Directions.
Director of Shimaro Entertainment Private Limited, Hiren Gada, said that stopping piracy completely is not possible, but it can be reduced by joint efforts of industry and government.
Piracy is affecting the film industry in many ways. There is theatrical piracy, video piracy, music piracy and cable piracy. So there are in all forms and formats piracy is hurting the film industry, and ultimately the revenue, legitimate revenue that a producer should be earning, that gets leaked out from the system, and many times or producer probably makes a loss when actually he might have made a profit on that product. I think there is no one single solution, but it's a joint effort. The industry has to be very proactive, work closely with the government. Government is also active and they have various thoughts. So I think combined with a lot of industry, government and even education of the consumer, awareness level. So there are various things that needs to be done. And it's a huge task and effort by itself. I don't think in the current scenario stopping piracy according to me is a distant dream, but even curbing it or reducing the effect of piracy to a large extent I think will also enhance the overall economics of this business, and it will make the overall economy, where today piracy leads to a lot of black economy, black money, etc. A whole lot of things can come under control.
The conference was jointly organized by Confederation of Indian Industries and Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India. Directors and CEOs of different film-related companies were present. Chief Executive Officer of Entertainment Society of Goa, Manoj Srivastava, said that through IFFI, ESG is trying to explore new markets and opportunities in this field.
What we are trying to do as a festival organizer, it is our job to explore new markets, to explore opportunities for co-production and make filmmakers and producers aware of these opportunities. So for the first time ever at the International Film Festival of India, with a view to create this kind of a platform, we have created a business platform called the Short Film Center. While in the past 50 years of the existence of the International Film Festival of India, there were many opportunities, many business platforms for feature films. nobody had really bothered to explore the opportunities available for short and documentary films. So there was a niche waiting to be tapped, and the Entertainment Society of Goa can proudly claim that we have tapped this niche and we have created Short Film Center.
ESG is trying to pitch itself as a facilitator for film shoot, as there are a number of beautiful locations in Goa which Indian film industry is using from years. Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
After a great success of Hafta exposed by Prudent Media, many noted Vascocars have appreciated our initiative and have sent their reactions. Here are some.
After reaction of Home Minister Ravi Naik on Hafta exposed at Vasco, the opposition party's spokesperson Rajendra Arlekar has said that it's duty of Home Minister to conduct vigilance inquiry in this matter.
कॅमेरान तांकां धरला पळय ते मनीस आसताले भितर आसपाकय जाता परंतु हे जे आसात ते अत्यंत ल्हान माशे ही जी नुस्तीं आसात ही दर्यांतली खूब ल्हान नुस्तीं आसात ह्या दर्यांतली व्हडली नुस्तीं जी आसात तांचें कितें असो प्रश्न निर्माण जाता म्हाका दिसता वास्कोचें पुलीस स्टेशन जें आसा हें अशा ह्या सगळ्या गोश्टींचो अड्डो जाल्लें आसा आनी म्हणून विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटान वास्कोतल्या सगळ्या ऑफिसरांची पयली चौकशी करपाची गरज आसा पण गृहमंत्र्याची जबाबदारी आसा प्रुडंट मिडियाची जबाबदारी न्ही ही आतां ही गृहमंत्र्याची जबाबदारी आसा की वास्को पुलीस स्टेशना वयले सगळे आसा ते रिवॅम्पिंग करपाक जाय.
Arlekar also congratulated Prudent Media and our correspondent Surendra Madkaikar for this noble gesture.
पयली प्रुडंट मिडिया आणि प्रुडंट मिडियाचे वास्कोतले रिपोर्टर मडकयकर हांचें अभिनंदन करता की ताणें वास्कोतल्या एका अत्यंत किडलेल्या अवस्थेन आमची जी समाजाची अवस्था जी जाल्ली आसा त्या प्रश्नाक तांणी वाचा फोडली आनी सगळ्या जनते समोर हाडली म्हणून मडकयकरांचें अभिनंदन आणि प्रुडंट मिडियाचें हांव अभिनंदन करता.
Leonardo Lobo, the chairman of Vasco Citizens Forum, expressed a will to catch hold of bigger fishes involved in such activities.
पोलिसांची जीप भोंवता आनी ती जीप भोंवता ती आवाज करीत आसता केव मेव 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 आमी येता तुमी पळा आमी येता तुमी लिपा असलो चल्लो कोत्ता जाल्यार सारकें करप. नाव सडनली वन स्मॉल फ्राय हू इज रिसंटली जॉयन्ड as a police constable and he is a local person, he is in the frying pan from the bubbling waters. So these some higher up should do and not this type of small fry. People are feeling sorry for this fellow because he is a new recruit and big fellows are there getting scot-free.
So now, everybody is waiting for vigilance inquiry by the Home Minister and catch of big fishes. Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.